Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed a SoundCloud file in Weebly. This is a fantastic way to share your music, podcasts, or audio content directly on your website, making it easily accessible to your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Take a look at the left menu where you'll see the website option. Click on it, and then underneath that, click on Edit Site. This will bring up a list of your websites. Choose the website you want to edit by looking at the right side and clicking the Edit button. Now you're in the editor page of your website, which is where all the magic happens. Before we proceed with embedding, we need to grab the embedded code from SoundCloud. Open a new tab and navigate to soundcloud.com. Log into your SoundCloud account if you haven't already. Once you're in, browse through your library and choose the song or playlist that you want to embed on your Weebly site. Simply click on it to open it up. Now look for the share icon. It's usually located near the track or playlist title. Click on that share icon. A menu will appear with different sharing options. From this menu, click on Embed. This will generate a special embedded code specifically designed for adding your audio to websites. Go ahead and copy this embedded code. You'll need this in just a moment. Now let's head back to your Weebly editor page. On the top menu, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your website. On the left side menu, look for the embed code element. If you're having trouble finding it, simply click on Show All Elements to reveal the complete list of available options. Once you've located the embed code element, drag it onto your website where you want the SoundCloud player to appear. After you've placed it, click on the element itself and then click on Edit Custom HTML. This will open up a text box where you can paste your code. Simply paste the embedded code that you copied from SoundCloud earlier into this text box. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your SoundCloud file into your Weebly website. Your visitors can now play your audio content directly from your site without having to leave the page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.